Hello, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to map a shared drive in Windows Server. So let me just log in as the administrator. Got to remember the keyboard is setting correctly. Yep. There we go. So if we go to desktop and if I go to my C drive, and if I just make a folder called test share, and I'll make a file in here called example, and then a folder called test folder. We go back out to the local disk, right click on that, go to properties, go to sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, we'll go test shares, test, and obviously we can set permissions here, so I'll just add administrators and test user, and then what I'll do is I'll just remove that, and then test user can have everything, and administrators can have everything. So I go to apply, OK, apply, and OK, close that. If I go to the policy management, and to test users, I'm going to create a new group policy, create GPO in this domain and link it here. Test share. I go right click on that and click on edit, and then go to preferences, Windows settings, drive maps, create a new drive map, new map drive, and what we'll do is we'll put the name of the server in here and the path, and then the name of the share. We'll select a drive after putting in a label, so we'll just use test. We'll use T, shall we? So we'll go to T, click apply, and OK. Now I'm going to log in as the test user and confirm that that's been mapped. Right, so if we go to the start menu, you can see that I've now logged in as the test user. So go to desktop, go to the Windows File Explorer, and you can see here we have a new network location, map drive, that is T, and that's test shares, and inside we can see example, test folder. I go right click, new, I didn't mean to click on that, but hello. We have permissions to create files and folders. So if I create a new folder, example, you can see that I've created a new folder. If I go up to the C drive and then go to test share, you can see it's been created here. So yeah, that's how you map a drive through group policy on Windows Server. Thank you for watching.